Hello friends, I welcome you all to my video series on NLP and esoteric architecture beyond Vastu, beyond Feng Shui. Today we are going to look at very different and very needful topic, that is everybody has confusion. People have confusion in their mind that whether these symbols works, like we have Feng Shui coins, or we have this Feng Shui turtle, or we have this Feng Shui piece, Feng Shui hand, or we see Vastu Shastra, then we have horses, right? Lots of symbols are there, people are using in Vastu Shastra. Before answering that, I would like you to go through these two terms, which is NLP anchoring and NLP metaphors. Now let me make you clear about what is NLP anchoring or NLP metaphors, because being an NLP expert, I have integrated NLP. NLP is full form neuro linguistic programming, which is how you control your state of mind. So in NLP what happens, we are anchored with everyday senses, like we have three major senses, that is visual, we can see. Also we have one more sense, that is we can hear, and next one is we can feel with our skin and all. There are two more senses that we are not using in NLP, because generally we are not very much skilled to use that senses, right? That is our smell and taste. So we are talking about these three senses. Suppose let me give you a word bell. Now just think for a while. If you hear word bell, what do you see in your mind, or what do you hear, or what do you feel? Okay, now be with me. Now this is very important thing I am going to tell you. Suppose some people might have come up with image of a bell in the temple, or same can be the bell in the school where we are playing. Some might be adult went to their childhood memories also. Some might see the bell as a puja bell which we have in our homes, or some might see the image of this doorbell. So many has this kind of doorbell in their house. Or this is also a bell where a boss presses the bell to call peon. Or some might come across this picture of jingle bells or Christmas bell also. Or even some might not have seen the bell directly, this jingle bells rhyme. Those who have not seen, some children who have never seen the bell like what we have seen might have seen this picture also. Now very important thing, one word bell can trigger so many images in our mind. So it depends upon who the person you are, and depending upon that your bell will ring. I mean, you will see the kind of bell. You will not see all the bells at once. You will see your own bell. So now whether this Feng Shui turtle will work or not, it will depend upon what is your personal meaning of a tortoise or turtle. Suppose Chinese might have a different meaning, because turtle is a symbol of prosperity for them, because they will catch turtle and they will sell it as a item of food or as a item of animal transaction, anything. So for them it is symbol of prosperity. But is it a symbol of prosperity for you? Have you ever touched tortoise or turtle? Or it might be also a symbol of pet animal for you and not the prosperity. I don't know, because it is your personal meaning system. So for some, these horses might be like we have Even in horses also we have three different versions. Suppose sometimes we can see the horses directly going straight, sometimes horses are going to the left and horses are going to the right. So which horse to choose, people don't know. There are some guidelines, but I will talk to that point about later on. Right now what I wanted to focus, sometimes you are also coming up across pyramids, right? Now this is very important to understand whether to use pyramid in India or other countries than Egypt, right? What will happen, suppose this is the biggest question, that what is your NLP anchor or what is your NLP metaphor for pyramid is going to play a role in this, right? Whether I will tell yes or no will not make any difference at all. Now let me ask you a few questions, but before that I would like you to subscribe to my channel so that you will get all my this Feng Shui and esoteric architecture videos regularly without any miss, because this is an integration of neuro-linguistic programming, architecture, Feng Shui and Vastu Shastra. So it's an all-in-one very powerful concept I have developed. So please go subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get my notification, right? So now suppose I have an image of pyramid as king and queens, mummies are there inside pyramid, right? I don't know about you actually. Or simply you all know that mummies are there inside the pyramid, right? And if you have seen this movie, then pyramid might be very scary thing for you, because in this movie it is a horror movie where you will feel goosebumps while watching this movie. The mummies are walking up and just killing people here and there, right? So now depending on this, if this pyramid is triggering the pictures of dead people, of mummy, or some scary thoughts and memories of movie mummy, or anything which is related to dead and which is related to very doubtful, then pyramids are not for you. It might be good for people in Egypt because they might have very different trigger or they might have very different NLP anchor for pyramids than you, right? So just think over it and then select whether to go for pyramid or not, right? So I am also going to make more videos on this esoteric architecture which is beyond Vastu and beyond Feng Shui. So just be with me and please just subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get my notification. Also there is a form in this description box, so just fill that form in the description, because I am going to gift you my 15-minute free consultation if you have any question to ask which is worth more than 10,000 rupees. So just fill that form and just be with me. I will guide you for your home or office, or it can be your industry, or it can be your shop, anything, right? So just be with me on all this video. I will wish you all the best. Thank you and bye for now. See you later.